Hi guys.
Hi.
So if you guys been following along, we are now on the next science project with learning resource, and we're actually doing the beaker creatures, right, Dr. Jarissa?
Yay!
All right. So far, Dr. Jarissa, we have your creature in front of us, right?
It's my favorite creature.
Beakers.
It's pink.
Yeah, it's pink. Yeah, you got pink all over my uniform. So earlier, my uniform got squirted with food coloring, so I had to take it off. So if you guys are wondering why I don't have my doctor outfit on, that's
I
why.
only got my doctor.
She's the only one that has her doctor outfit on. Let them see your doctor outfit. You want to stand up a little bit? Yeah, there you go. Primary science. This is a jacket that they also provide. And it comes with the jacket as well as the goggles, right, Dr. Jarissa?
Amazing.
Yeah. And this is included if you guys are more in depth into the science, like doing a lot of acid and CO2 and stuff like that cause combustions and maybe splatter on your eyes, right, Dr. Jarissa?
Yellow bird.
Yeah, burn your eyes or something like that. So we're using the smaller intermediate kit for her age, which would be like slime, putty, and alien creatures, stuff like that. And oh my god, she has my nose. So we're using, thank you, I can breathe better. So we're using kids friendly equipment, so we don't have the goggles on right now. So our next science alien beaker creation is going to be what, Dr.
Slime.
So we're going to be making slime. This is also another, how do you say, ingredients that's not included in this kit, but the instructions is included, and it's very, very thorough and it's very helpful in my opinion. So now we're going to start with our experiment. Dr. Jarissa, you can add what you want to add. I'll open this, you're looking at it. Okay, you want to add the glue? All right, let me open it up. No, we're going to put it in the bowl. We have to mix it first. So the ingredients again is going to be 1 cup of shaving cream and your 4 ounce school glue, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of contact lens. And we also have food color of your choice. And then we're gonna add the contact lens, contact lens. All right.
It looks like slime.
Yeah, it's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. It's
It is.
So we're gonna stir. You gotta add that last after you so the dish soap we're gonna add last. We can add the food coloring now if you like. Yeah. We're gonna do 2 drops this time, Dr. Jarissa. Don't get it on my uniform.
Yesterday.
I know. Take your time. 1, 2. There you go. I think that was 2. What do you think? Was that 2 or no? You sure? Okay. So you're just gonna stir it up.
It's not working.
Yeah, you have to get it all up in there. Stir it up. So we have food coloring all over our hands. I would say wear gloves if you don't want that issue. Right, Dr. Jarissa?
Dad, you know how to mix this. Look, it's all red inside.
So,
No red.
yeah, that's what color do you want it? I'm confused.
I need it to be pink.
You want it to be pink?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Hey, it's not working.
You want it? Oh, you want it more. Okay, all right. Sounds good. So we have
That's much better.
much better.
That's nice.
So once we have stirred this up enough and have it looking a little beautiful,
It's looking like slime.
yeah, we're gonna add the dish soap, Dr. Jarissa. We're just gonna use the spoon this time. Okay, we're gonna spoon it this time. Usually we use gloves and get our hand in there and get messy so we can feel the texture and make the color pop. But this time we're just gonna
It's
spoon it.
looking
Okay?
like pink.
Yes, it's looking like pink.
It's not only red. It's only.
Yep.
I told Daddy I want it to look like pink, so it's already pink.
It's pink.
Oh, it's slime.
Pull it, girl. Pull it more. That looks nice. So we're gonna keep mixing a little bit more. We're we're gonna at least make the color fully pink. What do you think, Dr. Marissa?
Yes.
Let me move this out of the way so you guys keep looking good, eh?
Yeah, good
Pull it. Oh my gosh, what you guys did? That's so awesome. So awesome. Yeah, go ahead, you got it. Go ahead, you stir it. Just let me know when you want me to or if you need me to help, okay? Let me know what you want me to do. You want me to stir it or hold the bowl or what? What you want me to do?
Hold the bowl and stir it.
Ay, such a smart girl. It feels like marshmallows almost, right, Dr. Teresa? Well, the soft marshmallows, right? It looks so good. I like it.
It smells like marshmallows.
Yeah, I like it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in a beaker. Dr. Teresa, this is so nice. You want to touch it, right? I know you want to touch it so bad. So we're going to do a little play around with this slime. So I'm going to put some of it inside of your beaker.
What?
I mean, not beaker. Inside of the
It's not beaker.
no, it's not beaker. Inside this basket. So let it roll over your slime. Do you think it's gonna drop out? We'll just use some of them, not all of it. Okay? Sounds good? Because it's gonna take a while for it to actually drop. Yes, I'm listening, Dr. Teresa. Drop it. Now, if we put the whole thing, it's gonna drop very, very quickly. Very, very quickly.
I see it.
You see it dropping now?
Mm-hmm.
Because the heavier it is,
Yeah.
the quicker it is. What you guys think?
It's still not dropping.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while. We're gonna wait here patiently and let it drop over her toy. Her alien creature. Right, Dr. Teresa?
It's stay on over.
What you guys think about this slime? It's pretty awesome, man. Huh?
Okay.
This one is going to be more sticky compared to your usual slime. Nice, eh? And now we have covered up your creature. You want to tell your friend something?
Stop what you're doing.
Stop what you're doing, you guys. You heard it from her. Stop what you're doing. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.
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 Paging Dr. Dad. Paging Dr. Dad. Paging Dr. Dad. Paging Dr. Dad. Paging Dr. Dad.